We're now ready to continue with the installation. We have the bottom rail cut to the correct length and we're pleased with the fit and form. We have the top rail cut to the correct length. We're pleased with the fit and form. I have the first 3 balusters inserted into the bottom rail. I'll do the demo here on the last baluster. Now understand that we're working with the crossover. So we have a long dimension on a short and a short dimension. We want the long dimension to go here on the crossover. And as you do this, we always want to start at the crossover end, put your balusters in place, work your way down, and get this fitted into the bracketry. A couple taps with the rubber mallet, and we are ready to attach the top rail and the bottom rail to the hardware and the crossover. We're now ready to complete the installation, attaching the rails to the hardware. I have 1 screw already in place on the Stair crossover. This side's relatively easy to get to. And then we're going to go to our flathead screws, and we're going to do a side entry. Repeat on the back side. Top rail, bottom rail, top side. Side entry. Repeat on the other side. Top rail, top side. Side entry, repeat on the other side. The next step is to put the bracket covers in place. I already have the bottom rail bracket on the bottom side in place. This is your top rail bracket on the top side. And the bottom rail bracket on the top side. The next thing we're going to discuss is we use 47-inch bottom of the stair posts and top of the stair posts. Of course, we cut it down to length here. If this would be 42-inch tall railing, we'd use 53-inch stair posts. And we're now going to cut these off to the length, and that is really up to the homeowner, how far they want these posts rising above the top rail. So the next step is we're going to mark these posts and cut them down. We're now ready to do our final step on the installation. And that's put our we've cut our posts off to length. We're ready to put the flat caps in place. You want to check your final on your post leveling and make sure your posts are in line, left, right, and they are. Put the two-part flare in place, tap with the rubber mallet, and work your way down. Get these 2 flares in place and the top cap in place here. Thank you for watching this C10 crossover stair installation video. Have an awesome day.